Hello, it's March 19th or something, 2024, and I've been holding off on a video of the 58 because my welder friend is very busy with other projects and there isn't a lot to show you welding wise, but because you've been so persistent, I wanted to tell you what I've been up to with this car and trying to get things done. I do have a new door located for this side. It's a really good driver's side back door, solid, rust free. So that will save metal work on this. I would still like to find two good front doors. I think 57 and 58 are the same. So if you happen to know of one in Ontario, let me know. Again, as you may or may not remember, because it's been a long-term project, I already have new quarters for it, front and back, left and right. And I have a really good front bumper for it. And I don't have any good back bumpers yet. So again, you know of a 58 back bumper, let me know. Again, it has to be kind of local because you can't ship anything that heavy or cost more than the bumper's worth. So again, these are the brackets that the gentleman is working on, replacing the rusted ones with the copies of the new ones. He's doing a really good job. Everything is kind of hinged on him right now because I can't install the engine and transmission. I can't do the brakes or exhaust until I get it out of here, right? So that's why there's not a lot I can show you on the 58. It's kind of at a standstill. But because you've been so persistent, as I said, to see the car, hear about the car, I wanted to pop over and just let you know what the situation is. I do hope very earnestly that it will get back to work on it soon, just because I really like to get the project moving along so I can get it to completion. Once it leaves here, whenever that is, there's still miles of work left to do after it leaves the welding shop. So a quick recap, the frame is perfect on this car now. The doors I'm working on, I have new rockers, I have new floors, I have new or good as new quarters. So once these are all installed here, then it will come out of here. Now let me see if you can see it or not. It's pretty good lighting in here. He's an excellent welder, doing a wonderful job. So I'm just looking forward to getting the rest of it done. The trunk floor and the floor of the car itself and the rockers and quarters and patching fenders. I got some really nice fenders for it too, I should tell you that too. I went a long way to get excellent fenders for this. Save a lot of metal work. They all rot down here, but these ones are really good that I got. So thank you all for the constant inquiries. And, you know, my friend put his family first, and I did the exact same thing. So I'm not being the least bit critical. So I understand that other things come and hold you up in life. So I am working on my new editing software. This is the first video I'm going to actually be using it. So I hope you like it. So here's 58, and I'll show you what happens next. And by the magic of editing, I'm back in my own shop. I'm going to move out this 94 very soon so I can have more space. This is strictly just a storage for the 94. I'm going to move it into my other building so I can access space, work on the other cars here. I'm going to move the 60, which is behind me, probably over to where the 94 is now. So I have more space, because that's even a longer term project than the 58 is. And by the way, you guys still want any Brougham parts? I'm kind of done with the Broughams for a while, at least. So electronic climate control, 60 bucks. Automatic dimming rear view mirror, 100 bucks plus shipping, plug and play, no big deal. I'm going to move out these snow blowers and things because we are in Canada, but I want to get working on the engines and get them ready to drop in the 58 when the day comes. I have 3 Cadillac engines. I have the 58 365, a 1959 390, and the 1960 390 for this beautiful Fleetwood 60 Cadillac here. So I'm going to build those engines when I move this car over to where the 94 is. So that's where we are right now with projects. It's an early spring here, but we can still get snow, so I'm being cautious and saying winter's over. A lot can happen in March. Even I've seen snow even in June, actually, but I think the worst is behind us. But thank you all for watching. I appreciate you wanting to hear about the updates, and I'm going to show you more really, really soon. All right? Thanks a lot, and I'll see you all down the road.